Hello, my lovelies. Yes, join me as we unbox these beautiful items. You need to see the quality shock. Whew. Join me on this unboxing video and see beautiful things. So if you've not liked this video, do it, hit the like button. Here is Jenny CEO's channel. Here we'll talk about importation, everything, Facebook ads, how to make money online and all. So these are items just arrived from China. So we are doing our unboxing video. So do well to watch till the end and see beautiful items. Now we're going to be unboxing this one. It's now that's gotten to our base. So we're going to be opening this bag. Ooh, let's watch what is here. My group, yes, I run the biggest pre-order book group. So my group just got this. Let me not just say it. Let's see what is in this sack. Yes, my group bought over 200 pieces of this, and it's amazing. Whew, let's watch what's going on and see how it is. If you've not liked this video, do it to hit the like button. If you've not subscribed, do it to hit the subscribe button. It is 100% free. Ta-da! Going to be opening it, and here. Just watch and see what's there. Wow! Cassie bag. This bag, more the quality shook. This mini bag quality shook. If I tell you how much we ran it in our pre-order group, you'll be amazed, you'll be shocked. And my group bought over 200 pieces. My group members are amazing, and this is it right here. It has different colors, it has different handles, it has A, B, C. So I'll be showing it on the screen for you to see how the back picture looks like. And it's exactly, wow, this bag shook. Look at the rope, so fine. The quality is top notch. We did it before and we had to run it again, and this time around we bought over 200 pieces. My group is amazing. We have amazing people, so you can also join. Just go down the description button. There's a WhatsApp link there. Click on it to join the group and start getting things at amazing price, getting quality at amazing price. Resellers, you're welcome. You get it and sell and make huge profits. So these are Cassie bag. This is how the other color, the other one that has something brown handle looks like this. The first one was one that has black handle. We still have the one that has yes, we have black, brown, and we have white. This is make, yes, it's so fine. It's so fine. As in, I don't know if my camera is making justice to see the quality of this bag. So portable. I love this bag. If you've not still liked this video, what are you waiting for? Now you can see our 6-in-1 beautiful blender. Amazing. You can see our juicer. You can see our charcoal stove. With this charcoal stove, with just 100 naira charcoal, you can make your meal. As in a testimony, oh my goodness, this has slim pieces somewhere. So fine. Oh my god, this is a juicer. If you've not liked this video, what are you waiting for? Join our pre-order book group. That's a fun, and start getting quality. Top notch. Now we are set to dispatch to Port Harcourt base. Yes, you can see that. Now look at our kids bag. The quality shook. Different colors. We have pink, black, red, different colors. My group members, they pick different colors, and this bag is giving. The kids bag is giving. Testimonies are already coming. Customers review are already coming. Now that's a sneaker. Turn around. Wow, this sneaker shook. Yeah, that's the white. It also have black. We'll be opening the black soon. Yeah, that's the black. things are given. Now that's a classy water bottle with straw. It just as seen as in the way it is. I'm so grateful to God. Everything, nothing, no breakage, everything just arrived. And we use sea shipping 2 to 3 months. Guess what, guys? These items arrive in 2 months. Yes, if you now that's a sequence slippers. Our group bought over 100 pieces of these, different colors, different sizes. Yeah, so the slippers is given. Yeah. Now that's a sandal, easy wear sandals. You can relate how much they sell the sandal on Instagram, but I tell you, my group gives the best price. So if you are looking for a pre-order bulk group where you can get quality things at mouthwatering price, then I think you should join my group and you will be grateful. Yes, quality. Now that's a power bank, Odogu power bank. This power bank, I've used this more than 2 years and I can call it Odogu power bank. And oh God, so fine. Now this is our magic toothpaste. So big. I wasn't expecting it to be this big. The video was showing one small thing. Then when it arrived, I was like, ah. And my group bought over 500 pieces of this. Oh, God bless you guys. God bless you all. That's a storage bag. Group also bought over 300 pieces of that. That's still our Togo power bank. This power bank is tested and trusted. Yeah, tested and trusted, guys. As in, I've been using mine over 2 years and still the same, still working. Oh, so amazing, guys. Now that's a full shopper. Or more, if you don't have this in your kitchen, a manual food shopper. This is a 2 liter, it has 1.5 liter, it has 2 liters. If you don't have this in your kitchen, then you're missing a lot though. Or more, the way the thing chops okra. That food shopper is amazing. Now, so that's a turmeric oil. Wow. If I say my group gives the best price, I can tell you that. I saw this in other, so and I was like, wow. My group, by God's grace, we bought over 400 pieces of this. That's total bag, so fine. It comes in different designs and just as seen. I'm super grateful. Just the same way, this another design looks so fine. Yes, a total bag came in so fine. So that's a hair clipper. This clipper is amazing. Now this is a lotion. As in, someone bought this lotion, I was thinking, she said let me just get 2 and see if it's original, and it came in an original. She had to place over 10 pieces order. The other person also placed another 4 pieces order. Oh my, I love this lotion. We are giving you original from skincare company, not rubbish. We don't sell fake skincare products. So thank you for watching. See ya.